The Elections and Boundaries Department is pleased to join in the celebration of Caribbean Statistics Day 2021 under the theme, Leave No One Behind, Everyone Counts. The Elections and Boundaries Commission and the Elections and Boundaries Department are electoral management bodies responsible for electoral management in Belize. The Elections and Boundaries Commission is a 5-member constitutionally appointed body responsible for the direction and supervision of the registration of voters, the conduct of elections, referenda, and all matters connected therewith. The Elections and Boundaries Department is responsible for the day-to-day registration of electors, compilation of divisional registers, overall management of the conduct of elections, the adjustments of electoral records after a redivision, and voter education. This year's theme, Leave No One Behind, Everyone Counts, reflects what we as electoral management bodies have been strongly advocating for. The central office is the administrative hub of the department with 14 regional registration offices and 1 sub-office responsible for the processing of applications for registration, publication of supplemental lists, and other matters related to the registration of voters. To assist management in planning and making informed decisions, the compilation of data is of pivotal importance. As electoral management bodies, we must rely on the use of statistics. Presently, the Elections and Boundaries Department produces statistical reports on the following: monthly cumulative statistics on total number of registered electors, number of registered electors in all 31 electoral divisions by division and sex, number of registered electors by district and sex, number of electors by municipality, semi-annual cumulative number of registered voters by age cohort. Voter education. Statistics on the population of Belize is used to determine the areas of focus where there is greater need to conduct voter education. This is done by comparing the statistics on the voter age population of Belize with the monthly statistics of registered electors. The aim is to reach out and educate prospective voters on the importance of becoming a registered elector and the importance of their vote. Election preparation. Statistics on the number of registered electors are used to determine the number of polling locations, polling stations, and counting stations required for the conduct of elections. One of our responsibilities is to ensure that there is proper management of the number of voters allocated to vote in each polling station. Voters must be processed in an efficient and effective manner while being allowed to cast their vote in secrecy. The aim is to ensure that voters are not frustrated so they can cast their ballot before leaving the polling station. Election Day. Election Day statistical reports are also generated. These include hourly voter turnout, which is a timely posting of information on a real-time basis on voter turnout. It is extremely popular and is utilized by media houses and the public to analyze patterns and trends of voter turnout. Election results are highly anticipated reports on the outcome of an election, and citizens patiently await information on who will represent them in the House of Representatives. Redivisioning or redistricting. For the purposes of determining the need for a redivision of the electoral divisions, the Elections and Boundaries Commission from time to time reviews and analyzes the statistics for each electoral division. This is done to ensure that each electoral division has, as nearly as may be, an equal number of persons eligible to vote. In conclusion, in any democracy, it is the people that rules. The role of our electoral management bodies is to ensure that every individual who is eligible to vote be allowed the opportunity to register to vote and to let his or her voice be heard through the casting of a vote. Our first-past-the-post system is where the candidate with the most votes win their seat for a respective constituency. It is therefore of utmost importance that all voters participate in choosing who they want to make important decisions on their behalf. History has shown that elections are won by very slim margins. Therefore, we must ensure that every vote counts. Finally, I would like to thank the Statistical Institute of Belize for giving us the opportunity to share the importance of statistics to the electoral process in Belize. The cornerstone of democracy is to give every individual an opportunity to be registered, a voice, and to be counted. From the Chief Elections Officer and all staff of the Elections and Boundaries Department, we wish everyone a blessed, happy, and safe Caribbean Statistics Day 2021.